Hi, welcome to our double box breaks, hockey panini number 41. The last game that ended was the Colorado Avalanche on June 10th at 8:29 Eastern Time. Let's just go to eBay's current date and time. Refresh. Refresh. So it's currently Thursday, June 12th at 8:50 Eastern Time. Just doing this break a bit earlier. We're still waiting some payments, but just refresh. 8:51. Alright, in today's boxes, we are doing an E1905-77144 and NE206-541167. Alright, let's take a look at the boxes today. Alright, first box, NE1905-77144. Box number 2, NE206-541167. Alright. Good luck, everyone. Oh, shrink wrap, sorry. Alright, cut the back of it. Alright, we start off with the base of Gordie Howe. And we got Rick Middleton, the Fabled Fabrics for the Boston Bruins. And we have a hit of Ryan Kessler for the Vancouver Canucks. I believe this card is out of 25, judging by the patches. And it is. It's card number 1 of 25 for Vancouver Canucks. Very nice. Come on to box 2. Alright, we start off with the base of Felix Potvin for the Toronto Maple Leafs. And we have a first round drafts of Jacob Trouba for the Winnipeg Jets. And we're going to have a random between the Edmonton Oilers and Winnipeg Jets of Justin Schultz and Jacob Trouba. Alright, let's set up the randomizer. So it will be Oilers first, then Winnipeg. Just trying to find a number on this. Can't find the card number. Okay, Edmonton, Winnipeg. Bring it around. So we are doing the random for Justin Schultz of Edmonton Oilers and Jacob Trouba for the Winnipeg Jets. Both teams in 3 times. Good luck. 1. Try and get a focus. 2. And final time. Once it focuses. 3. And the winner is the Edmonton Oilers. And you have randomized this list 3 times. Just trying to get it to focus in. There we go. Edmonton wins, and you randomize this list 3 times. Alright, well, thanks for joining the break, and hope to see you guys again. The next break, 42, is currently up in bidding, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.